to the official audio-video overview for the proposed initial public offering of equity shares (IPO) of Neilsoft Limited. A technology-driven, pure-play engineering services and solutions (ER&D) company with multidisciplinary domain expertise and proprietary solutions, catering to the architecture, engineering and construction, AEC, manufacturing and industrial plant segments. Source: FNS Report. Having over 20 years of experience in servicing global customers. Caution: investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated December 26, 2024 carefully, and investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the red herring prospectus and the price band advertisement before taking an investment decision on the offer. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information with respect to the offer on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms and financial influencers. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated December 26, 2024. Neilsoft Limited's IPO of equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each, equity shares consisting of a fresh issue of up to 1000 million rupees and an offer for sale of up to 8 million equity shares. The offer for sale involves the sale of equity shares held by the promoter selling shareholder, promoter group selling shareholders and other selling shareholders in the IPO. The proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Incorporated in 1991, having its registered office at 21/2 Rajiv Gandhi Infotech Park, Mulshi, Infotech Park, Hinjewadi, Pune, Haveli, Maharashtra, India 411057. Our offerings address the digitalization using digital technologies for transforming a business process, digitization, converting analog data into digital format, and automation needs of our customers in AEC, manufacturing, and industrial plant segments, and seek to make the design, build, operate activities more efficient and sustainable by leveraging digital technologies. We provide the following engineering services: AEC, customized design services, architectural, civil structural and MEPF, mechanical, electrical, plumbing and fire protection disciplines, and BIM, building information modeling services for buildings, plants and factories and infrastructure projects. Industrial plants, industrial plant design and digitization, manufacturing, industrial equipment, production line design, including programmable logic control, PLC programming. Further, across the aforementioned 3 segments, we provide engineering process outsourcing, EPO services, and customized engineering software applications and solutions for digital transformation. Engineering solutions. In our focus segments, we have proprietary solutions: Viz, Cadison, a planning and design system for plant engineering; E&I Electrical Designer, an electrical design system for the electrical industry. During the 3 months ended June 30, 2024 and fiscal 2024, fiscal 2023 and fiscal 2022, we have worked with customers primarily across Americas, Europe, Asia Pacific and India. We work with marquee customers across the AEC, manufacturing and industrial plant segments such as NVBJ Architecture PLLC, Praj Industries Limited, Fujita Corporation, Hilti AG, Kuttner and Martin GmbH, Incotech SRL, Rida TS and Sigmetrix LLC. We service our global customers through our delivery centers located in Pune, Maharashtra, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Bengaluru, Karnataka, Bad Soden, Germany and Tokyo, Japan. Our research and development, R&D and product development teams are housed in our offices in Pune, Maharashtra, India and Bad Soden, Germany, and as on August 31, 2024, comprise 48 persons with expertise in digital and emerging technologies relevant to our focus segments. The team focuses on continually evaluating emerging technologies such as AI/ML, interoperability, Internet of Things, IoT, computer vision and scan to model to develop innovative and cost-effective engineering solutions and augment our value-added services while simultaneously improving our operational efficiency. Neilsoft is one of the few players that has notable contribution, 8.28% of overall revenue and 30.14% of engineering solutions revenue in FY24. to its revenue from own proprietary solution offerings in the ER&D space focused on AEC, manufacturing and plant industries. Source: FNS report. Neilsoft has been actively operating in the AEC and BIM services space since early 2000s and is an established player in this space from India with several marquee global clients. Neilsoft's focus on developing technology-driven solution offerings across the design, build, operate phases differentiates it from several other BIM players. Furthermore, Neilsoft is one of the most scaled AEC and BIM services players in India in terms of the number of resources dedicated to providing BIM services globally. Source: FNS report. In the manufacturing space, we believe that we are well positioned to benefit from the increasing need for automation and adoption of Industry 4.0 related technologies and significant demand for new factories due to China Plus One and Make in India initiatives. This is due to Neilsoft's domain knowledge and focus on factory and production lines related ER&D activities and digital technologies competencies, which also differentiates it from several other players. Source: FNS report. In the plant engineering space, we believe that we are well placed to benefit from the growing plant digitization opportunity and addressing plant engineering projects needs driven by sustainability and green tech investments by companies in the hydrogen, biofuels, geothermal, clean energy, decarbonization, recycling space. Further, Neilsoft's proprietary solution for plant design and BIM, Cadison, allows Neilsoft to differentiate itself from the competitors by offering customized services and solutions to their clients. Source: FNS report. The company will continue to invest in R&D efforts and over the next 24 months intends to develop new platform solutions for a vision and IoT-based quality inspection system for Indian manufacturers and a collaboration, workflows and visualization platform for the construction stage of projects and an energy and environment management system. Investors should note the following important risks. We have generated more than 37% revenues from our top 20 customers in the 3 months ended June 30, 2024 and in each of the immediately 3 preceding fiscals, and the loss of such customers or a reduction in our revenue from such customers will have a material adverse impact on our business. Our success depends on our long-term relationship with our customers. Loss of one or more of our customers or reduction in their demand for our offerings could adversely affect our business, results of operation and financial conditions. Our source of revenue is concentrated to certain geographical locations and our inability to operate and grow our business in such countries may have an adverse effect on our business, financial condition, result of operation, cash flow and future business prospects. We have derived more than 68% of our engineering services revenues in the 3 months ended June 30, 2024 and in each of the immediately 3 preceding fiscals from select industry segments and in particular the architecture, engineering and construction AEC industry. An economic slowdown or factors affecting this sector may have an adverse effect on our business, financial condition and results of operations. Our pricing structures and scope of offerings may not accurately anticipate the cost and complexity of performing our work, and if we are unable to manage costs successfully, certain of our contracts could become unprofitable. Please read risk factors beginning on page 32 of the DRHP. Neilsoft Limited is promoted by Ketan Champaklal Bakshi, Rupa Harish Shah and Daksha Bakshi. Ketan Champaklal Bakshi jointly with Daksha Bakshi, Aarti Bakshi Desai and Neil Ketan Bakshi, Rupa Harish Shah jointly with Harish Kumar Shah and Daksha Bakshi collectively hold 41.87% of the pre-offer equity share capital of the company. 71.15% of the pre-offer equity share capital of the company is held by the promoters, promoter group and selling shareholders. The selling shareholders are selling up to 8 million equity shares, bearing face value 5 rupee each as part of the offer for sale. 45.31% pre-offer equity share capital of the company is held by public shareholders. Our board comprises of 9 directors, of whom 2 are executive directors, 2 are non-executive directors, and 5 are independent directors. Neilsoft Limited's revenue from operations stood at approximately 3,258.53 million rupees, with an EBITDA margin of approximately 21.87% in FY24. The company registered a PAT of approximately 578.54 million rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 17.18% in FY24. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including pages beginning 299 for further information on financials and related information. There are certain outstanding legal proceedings involving our company, promoters, directors and subsidiaries, which, if determined against us, could have a material adverse effect on our business, cash flows, financial condition and results of operations. For further details of such outstanding legal proceedings, see outstanding litigation and material developments on page 404 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from fresh issue towards funding capital expenditure requirements and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not less than 75% of the offer to qualified institutional buyers, not more than 15% of the offer to non-institutional investors, and not more than 10% of the offer to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE and NSE, Equirus Capital Private Limited, and IIFL Capital Services Limited, formerly known as IIFL Securities Limited, are the book running lead managers. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated December 26, 2024 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoters or selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely on the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.